Hi everyone, welcome to Inside the Leader's Mind. Today we have a very special guest with us, someone who has spent nearly 25 plus years shaping journeys and driving impact at Tech Mahindra. Please join me in welcoming Anjali Chabra, Global Practice Head, Agentic Development and Modernization Services. Welcome Anjali.
Hi, thanks, Diksha.
Let's dive straight into the questions. Are you ready?
Yes,
Alright. So here's the first question for you. In large ADMS transformation, what matters more, the technology itself or the people driving it?
technology is non-negotiable, but unless it is adopted by people, it makes no difference, right? So the transformation happens because people adopt and proliferate technology. So to me, it is the people driving the transformation that are at the center. Technology definitely, as I said, is non-negotiable, but unless people are purposefully driving and taking the technology forward to transform in a purposeful manner, it is of no use. So people, absolutely people.
All right. Next question. After 25 plus years at Tech Mahindra, what's kept the journey exciting and what's one leadership lesson you learn every day that still guides you today?
Okay, it's an interesting question. So, what kept me going and keeps me interested in is the kind of work that I do. Basically, working very closely with customers for the last almost 13-14 years now, at least in this role where I get to see different problem statements, work closely with customers, trying to define solutions, and then taking that journey of transformation along with them is what keeps me going. And obviously our core field is technology. It keeps evolving, so that keeps you going all the time. It keeps you on your toes. One leadership lesson that I have learned, I would say there are quite a few, but the most important one I would say is self-reliance. Sometimes it can limit little bit of scale and growth at times, but I think I learned it very early in my career that taking ownership, delivering what is expected without expecting a perfect guidance or mentorship is what is very important. And again, I think now at the stage I am, that self-reliance has to also be taken with a pinch of salt. It's the reliance not just on myself, but the team and the ecosystem. But yes, self-reliance is an important lesson, I would say, that I have learned.
All right, love that. Let's move to our next section where I'll give you two options and you have to select one. All right. Strategy or execution?
Execution. Strategy is important, but unless it is executed, it has no meaning, right? To me, execute what is to be done and strategize what should not be done. That is also very important at times. That's the element that gets missed in strategy. What not to do strategy. So execute what is to be done. I think execution is important.
Perfect. AI or human creativity?
Human creativity, hands down. AI is driven by intent. I think we all know about it by now, right? Unless there is right intent and right orchestration, AI will just amplify the wrong things, right? So right intent, right orchestration. So human.
All right. Mountains or beaches?
Both. I can't choose.
Okay. Books or podcasts?
Podcasts.
All right. Early morning or late nights?
Early mornings.
Okay.
Early morning.
All right. That was really nice, rapid and decisive. We are moving to our next section. Here I'll say a word and then you have to tell me whatever comes to your mind. Innovation.
Purposeful disruption.
Okay. Leadership.
Ownership and trust.
Okay. Transformation.
Intent driven, purposeful again, change management. Quite a few.
Okay. Tech Mahindra.
Scale at speed.
Perfect. Love this powerful cues. We are coming to our last section. What's one habit that helped you stay consistent as a leader over 2 decades?
Continuous learning. I think I won't say that it's always possible, but at least at the end of the week, I try to see if I learned something interesting, something new. In our field, I think continuous learning keeps you going for so many years. So I would say that's one habit that I have formed. I try to stay consistent. At times it is not possible with the crazy schedules, but I try to do that as much as possible.
All right, that's really fantastic. Thank you so much for your time and insights, Anjali. And to everyone watching, stay tuned for more episodes with another leader, because at TechM, we are hashtag
Limitless together.